Hello everyone, my name is Marek, and welcome to this first devlog in a hopefully short series about the creation of a map builder tool. I say hopefully short because we're only supposed to use a couple weeks on this project, but it's already been 2 weeks. But there is a general rule among developers that says that when you estimate how much time a project will take that number and multiply it by 2. The goal for this project is to be able to quickly design and build game levels for 2D games without having to manually enter characters in a text file, and also hopefully have the ability to have more complex map formats and therefore also remove some of the limitations we had for our last project. For skeletons and traps, we had one character only represent one block, and so if we had to make a block that contains decorations in a cave versus the same decoration on the surface, we would have to either make an exception for these particular cases in code, or make 2 entirely different blocks, depending on the context in which it is placed. In addition to this, whether a block has collisions activated or not is also something we had to simulate by adding extra blocks, with the same textures but different hit detections. Needless to say, a lot of work for little reward. The idea is that each game will represent a profile, and each profile will have the opportunity to create several maps. All the resources will be saved on profile level and added to the list widget you see as a white box, and from which we'll be able to select and add to the map. We are also trying to look ahead during this project, and we're making it very modular in order to be able to add more features along the way as our games increases in complexity. We have a grid system activated by default, which in the future we'll be able to toggle off or on for non-grid based maps, and the size can be changed with this simple slider. Another reason for this project is to work and extend the MFTUI library I started working on a while ago. This will also significantly improve the functionalities for the menus of our upcoming games. Some of the features we've added so far are the list widget, which simply does what the name states and makes it much easier to group elements and have them be responsive at all times. The slider widget is the newest member of the widget family and gives a value from 0 to 1 that can then be multiplied with any range you wish to use. A video going more in depth into the MFTUI will be made when we're done doing the necessary design overhauls and adding more functionalities. The technical part is becoming more and more solid, but design is really not my strong suit. We currently have a huge list of functionalities we would like to add both to the MFTUI and to the map builder, and it will continue to evolve throughout our projects. Both projects are available on my GitHub, and they are of course available to anyone who wishes to help us with the development or try it out for your own projects. I hope you enjoyed this first devlog, and I look forward to bringing you the next updates in the next video.